What up, y'all? It's your boy, That Black Fist, here with another video. It's the same day from the green filter video, putting in the motor mount. Yep, Whoosh Motorsports rear motor mount. If y'all don't know, from factory, we have some pretty shitty rear motor mounts. Shit'll be shaking, vibrating, throbbing, feels like crap shifting in a second. Just recently started feeling bad in like third, so I would order. Whoosh has a track spec and a street spec. The street's yellow bushings, track is black bushings. Track's just gonna be a harder ride. They say it vibrates. Yeah, my buddy has, sorry about that. But yeah, my buddy has the track spec with the black bushings, and the vibration ain't that bad, honestly. But if you want the track, order that shit right now. Because when I ordered it May 25th. It didn't get here until July 15th. But that ain't Ron from Whoosh's fault. It was his black bushings were on back order, so just took a while to get in, so that ain't his fault. So let me go ahead and show you what you got to do to get this stock motor mount out. All right, y'all. So you're gonna use a 13 millimeter on all these bolts. Break them loose. I used a breaker bar just to break them loose real fast, and then I'm gonna use my 1/4" impact to just back them all out. So back those out real fast. All right. Once you take these two out, this spacer falls. It goes back up like that. So, and then let's see, this bolt is going to come out shorter than this one, so the short one goes here, the long one goes here. Okay, I'll show you when I take it out. But once these come out, you just pull this down because you need to use this. And you gotta take these out now. All right, now that the mount's off, you need to take this piece off of the stock mount. Just use a hammer, it'll tap out. Okay, that's gonna go on this like that. Line the holes up. Right. Yes, sir. Okay. So these two bolts over here, one shorter than the other. The shorter one goes up here. Longer one goes in here. Okay. I'll be back when I put those in. Alright, so went ahead, it's fucking stuck on here for some reason. Went ahead, put these two bolts in. Went ahead, finger tighten this one. So you're gonna put this bracket on. You're gonna take this bolt, put it in here. And then you're gonna take this one, and this one goes here. Alright, so go ahead, tighten all those up. Alright, so went ahead, tighten those all down. This fucker still won't come off. But anyways, time for the final part. Slap your bracket up there. Hold these up on it. Oh, great. Fucking one's falling out and shit. Alright, well, that's up there. Go ahead and grab your nuts. Put them up there. And then you're going to put your other two. Should only have two left. Right there. Tighten them down, and you got yourself a motor mount installed. Alright guys, there it is. Whoosh rear motor mount installed. Yes sir. Only took probably it'll take somebody 30 minutes, 45 minutes to do if you weren't recording and didn't have a socket stuck on there that you had to fight to get off. My buddy finally got that bitch to fall off. But yes sir, we are looking nice and clean down here, boys. Nice and clean. What's up guys? It's been about a week since I put that rear motor mount in. Driven quite a bit. Honestly, no complaints. A lot of people say that the vibration's like insane, but the vibrating really isn't that bad. After you get to about like 1700 RPM, you don't feel it at all. So it's honestly not that big of a deal for me, at least. My shifting has gotten a lot better, like the feel of it. Going to second, way like 200 times better. Recently, before I installed it, I just noticed that you could feel the trans like shaking going into third too, which was crazy. I haven't heard of that. I don't know if any of you guys have, but all of that is completely gone. I know I did that synchro shift, but I don't really think that's really it, because you would actually feel the transmission moving. You don't feel that anymore. My shifts are a lot smoother from that synchro shift trans fluid, but I can definitely tell the motor mount has a lot to doing with my shifting feeling better. So I'll go ahead and start the car, see if you can hear the vibration at all. Like, honestly, it's not even vibrating right now, which is crazy. Like, now it kind of is. Like, you might be able to see it. I have my hand resting on the door panel. It might be shaking the video just a little bit. But, like, literally, it's not that bad. Like, gets a little bit more aggressive right here, like at 15. But, like, once you're at, like, right there, you don't feel it at all. Like, literally, like, about 1800 RPM, you don't feel the vibration at all. So honestly, I'd give this motor mount, a 10 out of 10. Does its job for sure. Also, fucking leaving from a light quick, or doing a dig, no more wheel hop at all. Zero. It's gone. Feels like 30 times. Like, it's crazy, bro. Like, it's a lot better. So yeah, I would definitely recommend getting this motor mount from Whoosh. Like I said, if you want the track spec one, I would definitely recommend ordering it now, because I had almost like a 2-month wait because the bushings were on back order. So go ahead and order that now. But the street specs, I'm pretty sure he was asking if I wanted to go ahead and get street bushings, but I wanted the track, so I waited. But don't geek out on me because my gas light, man. I'm here to get gas. Anyways, appreciate you guys sticking around, watching the whole video. Please like, comment, subscribe for some more. A lot more videos coming out. I've got I'd call it a part, coming in this week. It's gonna really open up some more ideas for videos for the channel. It's gonna really enhance what this car does. Wait for that video to be out. Peace.